Alright everyone, it looks like there's an Amtrak train coming soon. Also, we got Amtrak number 8306 leading this time, which is surprising. It is somehow 3 or 2 minutes early from its schedule this time. Anyways, here we go. That's a pretty nice train horn. Alright, here we go. I love that Amtrak California cab car right there. Anyways, here it is. Nice. It's a good thing that we get to see Amtrak number 8306 again. The door doesn't open here. However, those doors back there can open. This is train 702 that's here again. Let's see if everyone is boarded on or off by now. Okay, I think that might be everybody by now, so let's look back. Okay, here we go. Alright, now we're at the back this time. Wait, is that everybody? Oh, not forget to mention, that is Capitol Corridor right there. Now the whole train is starting to move. I really wonder why there's no comic car over here. Guys, do you actually miss the comic cars on here? Well, I would say yes, because they were such good equipment to these California cars back then. Now we have a charger unit at the back. It's 2102, isn't it? I knew it! It was 2102. Well, it looks like that's pretty much it throughout this entire video. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.